Okay, everybody, we're on to our fifth sentence. And this sentence is going to be using the conjunction because. So that is the main part of our plan, is that this sentence uses the word because, the conjunction because. And we're going to start with a sentence starter about the understory, which is our next part, our next layer of the rainforest. It is dark and damp in the understory because. And we're all going to start with that part of our sentence. And then we need to think of a reason why it is dark and damp in the understory. Now you can do some research to find out why it is dark and damp in the understory. I've got some options here, and two of them wouldn't fit and one does. All of the clauses that I've written out are true, but they wouldn't fit within this sentence, not all of them. So here, we've got one. It is dark and damp in the understory because it is the python's favourite place to be. Now, it's true that the python does like to be in the understory, but is that why it is dark and damp? It doesn't fit in this sentence, so that one doesn't work. It is dark and damp in the understory because it is green and mossy. It is green and mossy, but is that why it's dark and damp? Last one. It is dark and damp in the understory because large leaves block the sunlight. Now that is a reason why it's dark and damp. So when we are planning this sentence and we're using the word because, we need to make sure that our second clause makes sense with the first clause, that they relate to each other. So, it is dark and damp in the understory because. We're all going to start with that sentence starter. It is dark and damp in the understory because. Now you can do some research to work out why it's dark and damp in the understory. I've chosen that it's because the large leaves block the sunlight. I might extend it a bit and say large leafy leaves block the sunlight, or block the sky, so only speckled sunlight can shine through. Yes, I prefer that. So you can extend your reason. And when you're happy, write it up. Because large leafy leaves. Oh, look, I've done alliteration. Large leafy leaves block the sky, so only speckled sunlight can shine through. Can shine through. Okay, so now I would like you to pause this video and you are going to start with this sentence starter. It is dark and damp in the understory because, and then I want you to think of your reason to finish this sentence. So pause it and have a go.